Ready? So let's go over everything again. The target for the 17 long is 42. How many points did I say? 25 points. All right. That's the target. This is where they will get out. The 17 long that we know there is a good chance that there is a squeeze. We know that 35 is our predetermined pivot resistance. We're not expecting the price to take 35 easy, right? We all know that. Okay, terrific. All right, so from 17, right, which is when we spotted the continuation up, right? First leg 24, then 28, 35 predetermined pivot resistance, and then the last target for the 17 long is 42, right? But we believe that it's not gonna be easy, so we are prepared to short 35 and above. 35 and 42 is a 35 is 42 is a 7-point range. So, oh my God, that's too much, right? Well, we don't believe that it's going to take 42. We don't believe it, you know? So, and that's pretty much it. So the 17 long is the main play. Any short is a counter trend. So the smart money knew the reaction of the PPI, which was at 8:30, right? They knew it 2 hours before. All of this, in our humble opinion, 35. Remember, 35 is a predetermined pivot. Price goes to 36, so we take one point of heat above our predetermined pivot resistance 35 that I gave you half an hour ago. And remember, right? Those of you who didn't take the 17 long because you are trading the future, which we humbly believe it's going to be a downtrend, then remember what I told you. The strategy, wait for the recoil, price goes to 35, cannot take it. Then if you took this 35 limit, short 35, you took 1 point of heat. It only went to 36, right? And now what are we doing right now? Well, we're not off the hook on this counter trend short, because we know that the bulls, they're going to do everything in their power to go to 42. That's their last target. They're going to make 25 points, right? We are also from 17 to 42, all right? But we know that it wasn't going to be a smooth ride, right? We knew it. Okay, so I'm going to say it again. They are jumping the gun right here. Well, not jumping the gun. They're adding to a winner right here. They just don't even want to let it go more than 3 points, because those who think, like we do, that the price last resistance is 42, then they don't want to miss out. Remember, we knew it at 17 long. We thought that the price was going to go to 24, and I'm going to say it again, right? And eventually it's going to recoil, right? Oh, okay, terrific. Oh, okay, no problem. 17, 24, we knew 24, 28, and 35. So 35, predetermined pivot resistance, and then price goes to 35, 36, cannot take it. How long it's been in this area? Since 9:37. Time right now. Okay, 9:48, 10 minutes. Oh, okay, so this is going to be a battle right here. We all know that, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and bring 28 a couple of points up to 30. That's support now. Remember our 28? It's not 28 any longer. Now it's 30. Oh, okay, good. So we are, right? So we are nicely, not nicely, but okay, sure. Counter trend. Remember that the main play is long 17 to 42. But we knew that it wasn't going to be a comfortable, a smooth ride, right? And that's why we've been considering the counter trend short. Okay? 35 is a predetermined pivot resistance. Price goes to 36, 1 point. And then we have a nice drop here to 31. Oh, okay. We're not out of the woods already on this counter trend, right? Okay. When we're comfortable that, oh my God, we did the right thing, we need to break 30, of course. Not 28, 30. Okay? Alrighty then. Alrighty then. For the predetermined pivot short, resistance 35, 36. Price just went to 29, so that's 6 points that we have in the pocket. And now this area right here is what's going to tell us what's going to happen. We need we need this action right here below 30, right? It goes from 34 all the way to 29, right? That's a nice 5 points, right? Okay, so we feel a little bit more comfortable, right, on the counter trend short that we've known since 9 a.m. All right, 17 long. We thought, and we still think so, that all this move up was going to be a squeeze, and so far it looks like we were right. We still need a clean break of 30, and then we can say once again we knew the future. All right. So I'm gonna say this again, and so that you guys can watch the video tonight and memorize it, right? The long 17, we know that it's a squeeze. Well, we the odds were, because we didn't know. Now we know it was a squeeze. Look at this beautiful recoil, right? We didn't know that it was. We just had the odds. Hey, listen, this move up, I don't know, it's fishy to me. They're going to try, the smart money, they're going to try to take it to 35. However, 35 is a predetermined pivot resistance. We know that we're going to go short 35 no matter what. It has nothing to do with the current move, up or down. It's a predetermined pivot that we know the odds are overwhelmingly in the forecasting of what we think is going to happen, right? There you go. Boom, bang, bing. Boogity. Is that 24? Remember 24? Okay. Oh, gee. Is that 21? Oh, really? Remember 17. Remember 17? That's when we went long, a small position, because we knew that it wasn't true. So we wanted to go with the squeeze. That's it. All right? From 17 to 35, and from 35 to 36. All right? So we made 25 points with a small position, and 25 more points on a beautiful position. That's position sizing. Okay, so long story short, 17 long, we're going with the squeeze, which we thought it was going to go to 25 only. We knew, however, that 28 and 35 were the next resistances. We know 35 is a predetermined pivot short. We got short automatically 35, and the price just went to 12. That's all there is to it. All right, this hardly ever happens. So, okay, so remember 28, we moved it up to 30. Bring it back down to 28. Resistance, okay? All right. 12. This is a swing low, right? So price, our short 35 gave us a whole bunch of, it took the 17, here it is, it took the 17, invalidates the squeeze long, right? And now found support at 12. Well, this 12 just happens to be a swing low. So target 117, right? 17, and we pulse it out all the way to 12. This 5 point is all take profit from the 35 short. right? Right. So we have two more units. Uh, um, we have two more bearish units, right? Because 35 to 17, 12, we get out one of our units. We have two more left, right? So what do we want now? Well, until this swing low here is not taken, it's gonna be a tough hold. Price takes this low right here, and then that's gonna be terrific because then we are on our way to target 2. But if it doesn't take it, then remember what I told you. We are in limbo. So what is limbo means? That above 12, target 2 for the bear is not going to be easy. And right, so the bulls are still fighting. Limbo. All this area right here is limbo. I'm not expecting the price to go back to 35 and go to, remember, the 42. That's not going to happen anytime soon. And look at 24 again. So you know what? We're going to get rid of 24. We don't care about 24 anymore. So forget about it. Just erase it. No big deal. 34, we don't care. 28, we do. Why do we care about 28? Well, because the main plate short 35, right, that just gave us a run all the way to 12, resistance is 28. So as long as 28 is not taken, the odds are that it is 12, the one that is going to be taken, number one. And now, oh my God, that's terrific, man, because then I'm going to let it ride. CAPI, can you tell me where is it going to go? It's going to go to 803. That's where it's going. Alrighty, 803. Yeah, that's right. So 803 is target 2. Target 1 is this range right here, this beautiful 5 range right here. We are, the odds are that yes, it's going to take it. And the second leg is going to be all the way to 03. Oh my God, but 03 to 12, that's only 9 points, man. We just made 25 points here, and then target 2 is only 9 points. Yes, because it's not up to us. Okay, it's up to reality. All right, so target 2, 03, and of course, we all know 800, right? Are you kidding me? Even the teenagers on YouTube know 800. So it's a range right here, 800, 803. Even the teenagers on YouTube, all the fake gurus on YouTube, they all know 800 is a psychological level. Our system, though, low is 803. Now, we want momentum to take our 803, dance around 800, 803, 800, 803, maybe 99, and then we'll definitely have to take profits right here, target 2. So that's pretty good. From 35 short to 800, we're looking at making 35 points on this trade that we've known since 9 a.m. it was going to happen. That, my friends, is called trading the future. You you know you know I'm not kidding, right? It takes years, my friend. It takes years to be able to hold unit 2 to our target 3, 803, 800. Okay, I'm telling you. Okay, it takes years. If it wasn't, if trading wasn't that difficult, there would be a lot of trading rooms on the internet doing what we do here at Capital Trade Center, and we know there aren't not even one single in the entire world. There is not one single trading room that does what we do here. Not only in terms of the profitability and the accuracy of our forecast, but the reading of the market as it's happening. There aren't any, not one. There is a lot of fake ones that make believe the beginners, poor souls, how can you not love them? But they are so innocent, and they believe what these crooks tell them. This is a horrible, pathetic industry. in which these scumbags take advantage of the. All right. Okay. All right. So when I said target 2 is 800, 803, so let's make it 802, right? It's for a reason. Look at it. Okay, so we have one more unit, and that unit, my friend. So time right now almost 11. The odds that we're gonna get target 1 are pretty good. The odds that we're gonna get target 2, you know, they're a little bit tougher, but we get them. We get them. You know, most of the time we get them. And the odds that we're gonna get target 3, well, that's a challenge, my friend. Okay. Alrighty then. I knew that. I knew that was coming. Also, that, my dear Bill, is the, what you guys did today. How you've been with me, what, 3, 4 years, something like that. So that, my friend, which you did today, is terrific. It doesn't happen often, right? But we've got to be prepared to deal with a day like today when it comes, right? And that's what separates the professionals to the amateurs. Plain and simple. Okay, I'm glad you let it right all the way to 802. And yes, of course, for example, green tick. It's a tough day, right? Look at your P&L. You don't have to let it ride all the way to target 3. You're comfortable, taking target 2. That's perfectly fine. Some traders don't even wait for target 2. They go bigger size and they get the hell out target 1. The odds that we are gonna get target 1, my friends, are even more than 90%. So if you want an amazing win rate, you do all in all out, you get out target 1, you're done. Yes, some days you're gonna leave a lot of money on the table, because the days that the market trends and we get target 1, target 2, target 3, and last target, my friend, those, ask around. We used to make 40, 50, 60, 70 points in one day. A couple of 6 months ago, remember when oh my God, remember when the volatility was crazy after COVID? It was amazing, which is unbelievable. I mean, please, are you kidding me? No, forget about it. Is that almost 16 from our 03? Are you kidding me? Look at it. 03, right? The counter trend long. It is a counter trend, because remember that our short 35, once it took 17, became the main play, right? So we know that we have to go automatically long our support 03. 16, that's 13 points after a day that was really started being really tough. And now look, almost a Lamborghini day.